Mario.
Okay.
This is my job.
So what is this video going to be about?
This Mac Mini.
Which Mac Mini is that?
It's the Mac Mini with Apple M1 chip, everyone.
Goodbye, Intel.
Y'all have to hear the story about how I got this first.
Oh. How'd you get this?
I just got this for $15. $15, people. So everyone, look at the first impressions of the fun thing I found. There is no papers even on it. So, here we go.
Plastic?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
I should have brought a knife. I just did my nails. Ooh, sharp. So I went to Bargain Brothers. It's where we live. Everything on Fridays is $15. I went there trying to find a deal. So we've had this for like 2 weeks, and we haven't.
No, it's not.
It's been a week, at least. It was last Sunday.
Well, yeah. Been busy.
And I found this box that was like not open, anything. It was from Amazon. Hadn't even been like looked in yet. And I opened it, and this was in it. When I saw this, I had no idea what it was. I actually had to call Will and ask him what it was.
Yeah, and I was at work. I was like, what are you talking about? What year is it? Are you at Goodwill? What?
Here it is. We opened the box. This is the front top. And I said, yeah, that I wanted this. I went to the front desk to buy it. She told me I couldn't have it. Let's get it out. How thick do we think it is? Okay, not thick at all. Okay.
So it's mostly just box.
Yeah, that's it. It's got some paper on it. We'll take it out. Okay. Wait, I still think it has stickers on it. And I said, I found it. It's mine. Okay, there we go. There's all the ports and stuff. Will will be able to tell us more about these. So that's a power.
Yeah, this is your standard power port, the figure 8 port that you see, C7. Power button, RJ45 Ethernet jack for your internet, Type C USB port, Type C USB port, and this is all in your hair. HDMI port and 2 Type A port,
headphone jack.
USB ports, and then a headphone jack, which is a blessing to see on any electronic device nowadays.
So I guess it's supposed to sit on this bottom of this black line, so it's supposed to sit like this.
Yeah.
So she called her boss. They had to give it to me because I found it. This like $800 device was $15. I always find the deals.
Yeah, she really does.
It comes with this. It's an instruction manual. And then this is the power cable. And that's it. That's all that's in this box.
So this is just foam?
Something like that.
Seems like a waste of cardboard. Honestly, it's pretty cool because right now, these two Mac Pros down here underneath the desk in order to edit my podcasts, all the stuff on like Logic Pro
when I don't want to use my laptop, which is quite often because my laptop is 2011, it's kind of slow, and so the Mac Pros have a little more power.
I'm kind of excited about just having something that can run Logic Pro X that has a modern processor.
I'd say Will should thank me because I'm giving it to him. I'm not keeping it. It's his.
Yeah, because you got that Microsoft Surface and you don't need any Apple products anymore because you don't use anything that's Apple only anymore. I'm the only one that uses Apple software.
That's true. So that's what we got. We don't know anything else about it really right now. We haven't even plugged it in. So we'll have to do another video once we have time to set it up. Being football season, my time is gonna greatly decrease.
I'm just excited we're gonna be able to get rid of those 2 big honkers that are sitting underneath the desk and free up some space because I could just hide this little itty bitty thing
behind somewhere.
Since all I need it for is Logic. I don't need big, huge computers taking up space just for Logic. Yeah. Cool. Maybe I'll be able to rack mount it.
That would be cool.
Audio rack. Since it's for Logic, it makes sense to put it in the audio rack.
Yeah, true.
I'm sure I could buy a rack mount thing like we had at work.
Yeah. We'll get back to you on actually powering it on and all the features that it has eventually. Probably after football season.
That's a good find.
Yeah.
Audio synced.
I'm the non-tech savvy fiance. That's the tech savvy dude. I'm just here for the fun. We'll see y'all later.